So hello, this is a super quick intro video for episode 17. Now, if you're seeing these, you probably got here from the page or from YouTube or whatever. Episode 17 will come out exactly the same time as these. I will upload both and online both at the same time. Now, the reason why I'm recording these is I don't want you to waste your time or come into episode 17 with the wrong idea, I guess. And to make a long story short, most of episode 17, nothing happened. I was a little bit tired and I decided to play it safe. So what I decided to do was take stock basically of everything that is going on with the leg global, seeing what nodes belong where, bumped into several things, basically follow the chain of events to where I thought they should start. And to shorten the story even more, what came out of it is that I have basically decided, I've done my investigation, so if you're interested in that process, in debugging and in drawing conclusions and stuff, I've concluded that there's a bunch of stuff that basically needs to be moved from the leg global to the leg. Some interfaces need to shift by one, so that the limited ankle, which is pretty much a term for the, or rather it should be a function of the leg IK, is going to be moved in here. That's about it. So if you do not want to sit through 50 minutes of me basically looking over things and taking mental notes and talking about it, you can skip ahead. Now, there is one thing that came up, and that was around 53 minutes. I think that once the YouTube video will be up, it will be somewhere around the 53 minutes mark. Somebody asked about the profiler, and if you don't know what the profiler is, it's this view here. And this is supremely useful when you basically want to figure out what is going on with your rig. So how long is something taking? You can see the selection synchronizing on the left. So I spent about, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 minutes talking about these. We will do a lot more with this view in the future. And that's it. That's episode 17. So I do suggest you watch it, at least for the profiler part, if that's all you're interested in. If you don't want to watch me just summarize the graph and describing what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking, skip ahead to minute 53, watch this part, spend 7 minutes and go on with your life, and you will not have missed anything. Otherwise, if you are one of those people like me that doesn't mind having somebody else's stream in the background, kind of as white noise, and you only divert your attention once in a while, then go through all of it. It might not be bad. It's a very, very, very chill stream. Alright, so thank you for watching these, and I hope you move on to 17 and you enjoy it. Have a good night, or whatever time it is over there.